age, pushing 68. More than a little worn and a little torn. Paint and varnished, faded and chipped. We still roll on. That old tractor, this guitar. That old tractor, this guitar, and me. Getting on in years, facing down my fears. That old tractor, this guitar, and me. Well, back in 1950, Mr. Gibson applied his craft. Made a guitar with action sweet and low. Mr. Ferguson told Mr. Ford, I don't need you anymore. That old tractor, this guitar, and me. That old tractor, this guitar, and me. Getting on in years, facing down the fears. That old tractor, this guitar, and me. So that just leaves me what I hear and what I see, what I do and sing and pray. But as long as I'm here on earth, I'll appreciate the worth of that old tractor, this guitar, and me. That old tractor, this guitar, and me.